So I encourage all WA parents to get this immunisation for their children because it is safe, convenient and needle-free. FluMist, or the nasal vaccine, works just as well as the traditional injectable vaccine. There's been more than 100 studies that have shown this to be the case. There's a lot of experience from its use in the Northern Hemisphere, and in fact there's evidence from school-based programs that it is just as effective. So FluMist, the nasal vaccine, is very safe. In fact, it's been used in Northern Hemisphere for more than 20 years. There can be some side effects. The most common side effects are nasal symptoms such as a runny nose. This is because of the way the vaccine works in terms of causing a local reaction in the nose. One of the reasons why school-age children do not get the injectable vaccines is because they do not like needles. And so if we have another option, which is needle-free as the FluMist, it's very exciting that now we have something else that we can offer our children that will provide protection against flu.